Hi, I'm Anil Jacob. I'm a professional who is passionate about information design, data storytelling, and visualization. It's my passion to educate and discuss data storytelling in a variety of perspectives and angles. It's my vision to democratize the art of data storytelling for all and everyday people. That is a core area of my work, and I'm very passionate to share it with you. Please consider subscribing to our channel, share the videos and content. Please give your comments and like so we could bring this invaluable content to maximum flocks. We are sure those who follow through all the content will be transformed to powerful data storytellers. Welcome to the world of communication with data. Specifically in these sessions, I would like to cover layouts and typography. Page layout is about positioning and relationships of text and other elements of the page. And typography, design is a key element of designer skill set. The typeface you choose and how it works with your layout, grid and color schemes and more can make or break your design. So let us dig deep. Let's start with the hidden page, its visible and invisible properties.